Hello friends, welcome back to another amazing video. I am here again back with the arcade updates, and it is going to be another important video because in this video I will be covering the important things that you have to cover before the release of arcade price counter. Price counter release होने वाला है, इसके ऑफिशियल अपडेट्स आ गई हैं, बट उससे पहले क्या क्या चीज़ें आपको चेक करके रखनी है सो दैट यू वुड बी डेफिनेटली रिसीविंग योर आर्केड इनसाइडर मेल एंड आर्केड प्राइस काउंटर मेल. तो आपको ये दोनों मेल तभी आएंगे जब आप कुछ सेटिंग्स जो है फॉलो कर लोगे. ऑल्सो आई वुड बी एक्सप्लेनिंग इफ यू आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग विद मल्टीपल आईडीज एंड व्हाट यू हैव टू टेक द प्रिकॉशंस. आपको क्या प्रिकॉशंस लेनी है अगर आप मल्टीपल आईडी से आपने सीजन आर्केड सीजन 1 में पार्टिसिपेट किया है, ठीक है. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाई आई वाज नॉट देयर ड्यूरिंग लास्ट 1 मंथ. मैं भी लास्ट 1 month से वीडियो अपलोड क्यों नहीं कर रहा था. So the reason is that I got flagged as a facilitator because I was providing you the solution videos, and yes, the YouTube or the Google policy restricted me from uploading such videos, and that's why I was unable to put any video regarding the solution or the arcade throughout the month. So I am really sorry about that, but yes, I was cleaning all the mess, coming back to my flow, getting my edge again, and now I am here providing you all the updates which is important for you to know. Okay, so first of all, let's check the new update, the community post that just came live, posted 2 hours ago. We will first cover this. After that, I will give you all the tips and tricks which is required to make sure that you would be receiving your arcade price counter claimation mail. Okay, so first of all, this arcade coming soon arcade price counter and a new arcade season post is saying that arcade price counter is coming soon. So it is confirmed now that the arcade price counter is coming. When it's coming, it's not clearly, the date is not clearly mentioned here, but expected that the next Tuesday you would be able to see the arcade price counter, or around 12th to 14th of the July you would be able to see the price counter mail. Okay, but before that you will get a special edition of arcade insider mail in your inbox. You will be receiving an arcade insider mail. What it will contain? It will contain your final points from season 1 of 2025. यानी कि आपने सीजन 1 में आर्केड के कितने पॉइंट्स अर्न किए हैं, आपके पास एक कंफर्मेशन मिल आ जाएगा, इतने ही आपके पॉइंट्स अर्न हुए हैं. Now with that it will include all the bonus point that you will be receiving, all the arcade points that you have to complete, so the challenges you will be receiving all that point summary. Okay, so through that you would be ensure that yes, I am lying either in the arcade trooper, arcade novice, arcade champion, arcade legend. These milestones are there, tires are there. You would confirm कि हाँ मैं इसी टायर के स्वैग्स जो है क्लेम कर पाऊंगा. The second point is after that you will receive the price counter email sometime next week. जैसे कि मैंने बताया next Tuesday को you can expect, or around 12 to 14th of the July you can expect the arcade price counter mail. Now you can through that you would be able to redeem your swags based on your tire you reach. Now, and while you are waiting, here's something else you took forward, and that is all new season of the skill boost arcade is on the way. So yes, arcade new season 2 cohort 2 is coming live on the 4th of the August. यानी कि अगर आप नेक्स्ट सीजन में कोहर्ट 2 में पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहते हो तो 4th of the August से रजिस्ट्रेशन स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे. सो मेक श्योर आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके रखो कि अब जो ऐसी कोई भी इन्फॉर्मेशन आने वाली है आपको टू द पॉइंट देने वाला हूँ. व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप ज्वाइन करके रखो कि क्योंकि अगर मैं यूट्यूब वीडियो नहीं डाल रहा था तो व्हाट्सएप पे मैं पूरे तरीके से लाइव था, आपको हेल्प कर रहा था. सो आई विल सजेस्ट यू टू प्लीज़ कम से कम कम्युनिटी ज्वाइन करके रखो व्हाट्सएप की, सो यू विल बी गेटिंग द रेगुलर अपडेट्स. ओके, now so once the registration would be live, I would be helping you all understanding the rules, what are the prerequisite, that we will cover later on. Now comes to the important part, the arcade insider mail, or what are the precautions that you have to take before the launch of price counter. Okay, so first of all I insist you to make sure that you all are receiving the arcade insider mail. If you are going to claim your swags this season, then make sure you are receiving these arcade insider mail. अगर ये नहीं आ रहा है मतलब आपको swags का भी मेल नहीं आएगा. अगर arcade insider mail आ रहा है then it is confirmed that you will be receiving your arcade swags claimation mail. So how it looks like, it would be with the header arcade insider, and it would be mentioning arcade insider inside the mail as well. So it will look like this. So if you are receiving these kinds of the mail in every month, whether it's June, April, from whichever month you started to join or participate, if you are receiving your report through arcade insider mail, it means you are going to see the arcade price counter mail as well. Now if you are not receiving the arcade insider mail, and you are already participating at least since April 2025, then make sure you ask me in the comment box. We mentioned that I am not receiving the arcade insider mail. I will help you with that, or you can also ping me on the WhatsApp group because बहुत important है, otherwise आप अपने सारे swags जो हैं lose कर दोगे. Now the next part comes, if you are participating with the multiple IDs, then what you should do. Now you have to be careful about that. First of all, if you are using multiple IDs and going to claim the swags with the multiple IDs, make sure all the phone numbers should be different. Whichever ID you are claiming, phone numbers should be different. You can use yours in one ID and your father or the parent contact number in the second ID. Also, you have to ensure that address is also different. You can tweak it a little bit, like in one ID you are giving your original address, in another ID you are giving the address of your neighbor, because ultimately the delivery boy is going to call you that yes, so and so is the address, I am there, where should I drop your package. So you can address him कि यहाँ आना है, थोड़ा सा एड्रेस में गलत था, आपको यहाँ आके डिलीवर करना है, he will deliver you. Now during this time period, there's high chances that you would be receiving the fake mails regarding the arcade price counter. There's very high chances they might ask you for some delivery charges in that fake mail. They might ask you for some kind of ransomware or the money they will demand. So you have to be very careful about that. You should not fall for them. So how you can check this? You have to simply check the sender's email address here. So if you click on the arrow like this, you would be able to see who sended you from who you received this email. So you can verify that it should be from the @google.com. अगर इसके अलावा किसी कंपनी से है, it is a fake one. Okay, so make sure this is the address you are receiving from. At least it contains @google.com at the end. ठीक है, इस बात का आपको बहुत ध्यान रखना है. Otherwise it is a fraud, because Google is not going to ask you for even a single penny. कोई अगर आपको ये भी कह रहा है कि डिलीवरी चार्ज अभी लगेंगे, बाद में रिफंड हो जाएगा, so no, there is no such case. You are not supposed to pay even a single rupees. Okay, it is totally free of cost, so please be aware of that. Even कहीं पे भी आपको कोई डाउट सा आता है, make sure you contact me that it is happening with me. Is it safe or not? So again, you can contact me on the WhatsApp group or in the comment box. मैंने आपको सब कुछ वैसे बता ही दिया है, मल्टीपल आईडीज का भी बता दिया है, what are the precautions you have to take वो भी बता दिया है, आपको कैसे कंफर्म करना है कि आपको प्राइस काउंटर मेल आएगा या नहीं वो भी बता दिया है थ्रू आर्केड इनसाइडर मेल, और what are the new updates that are covered. So I hope you like my comeback, and definitely I am going to launch something new for all of you. हम गए हुए थे, लीव थे, मतलब मैं अब वीडियोस नहीं डाल रहा था, बट वी आर कंटिन्यूसली वर्किंग फॉर योर वेलफेयर. हम आपके एक सहूलियत के लिए एक चीज़ लॉन्च करने वाला है जल्दी, वेदर यू आर स्टूडेंट और कुछ भी, आपको वो डेफिनेटली हेल्प करने वाला है, बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट फ्रॉम द academic perspective but for the daily needs. Okay, so I hope you are going to like my channel again, so I will make sure that I will keep continuing updating you. Okay, thank you very much, goodbye, and if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the WhatsApp group. Thank you.